Jada, this is Levon over at Tameron Hyundai, located on Highway 31 North, 1 mile up from Galleria, directly across from Wells Fargo. Here to show you the 2018 Elantra. We actually have several vehicles in stock with many different trim levels. We got things like Apple CarPlay, Android Auto for your tech needs, blind spot detection warning, and lane departure for your safety needs. So please give me a call back. We got a wide variety for you at great prices here at Tameron Hyundai, 205-643-3925. And don't forget, we got America's Best Warranty, 5-year, 60,000 mile new car warranty, 10-year, 100,000 mile powertrain. But we're going to double that here on Tameron just for you, the 20 years, 200,000 miles. So come see me for your great deal. Thank you very much.